Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your money from Robinhood to Cash App. Let's get started. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone. If you're not logged in, enter your username and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen. From here, locate the person icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This icon represents your account menu. Tap on it to proceed. Within the account menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Transfers. This section allows you to manage deposits and withdrawals. Tap on Transfers to open the menu. Once you're in, you'll see a list of options related to transferring money. To move funds to your bank account, select the option that says Transfer to your bank. If you already have a bank account linked to your Robinhood account, you'll see it listed here. If not, you'll need to add one by following the on-screen prompts. Be sure to enter your bank details accurately, as this is where your funds will be sent. Next, enter the amount of money you'd like to transfer from Robinhood to your bank. Double-check the amount to make sure it's correct. Once you're certain, confirm the transfer. Keep in mind that Robinhood may take up to 3 business days to process the transfer. This waiting period is standard, so there's no need to worry if you don't see the funds in your bank account immediately. While you're waiting for the transfer to complete, you can prepare your Cash App for the next step. Open the Cash App on your phone and log in if you aren't already. Once logged in, you'll notice a variety of options on the home screen. Once the funds from Robinhood are available in your bank account, you can move them to Cash App. In Cash App, tap the Banking tab located at the bottom left of your screen. From here, select the Add Cash option. This will allow you to add funds from your bank to your Cash App balance. Enter the amount you want to transfer into Cash App. Double-check the amount before confirming. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Depending on your bank's processing times, this transfer could take anywhere from a few minutes to a full day. Once the money has been successfully added to your Cash App balance, you're ready to use it as needed. Whether it's for payments, sending money to friends,